These are big, dangerous tools. The ability to cut the power or to program that all of the tools lock at the end of the day. People that are coming in and out of your shop, if you have children in your home, it's a really powerful piece of technology that you can add to your home very, very easily. That's actually one of the reasons that Grit exists. The creator of Grit was working in his home shop when his 5-year-old son wandered out into the garage and saw the big button on the planer and fired it up. The owner was able to turn around, turn it off. Nobody was injured, but I know that not everybody is that lucky. You can lock and unlock your entire shop. You can absolutely lock and unlock individual tools. You have a lot of control over your shop in ways that you wouldn't otherwise without Grit.